Hey Vision Chasers, it's Dr. Bird here. Our quote this week comes from famous astronaut Neil Armstrong, the first man to walk on the moon. And this is what he said. He said this. He said that I believe every human has a finite number of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine. Now, that's the attitude that every vision chaser needs to have. Each and every day you wake up is an opportunity to move closer to your vision of success. And how do we do that? Of course, you know it. I say it so many times, you do that by making good decisions. Making good decisions, good focused decisions, making and mastering those soft skills I've talked to you so many times about, teamwork, making sure you're sharpening your critical thinking skills, making sure you're sharpening your communication skills, making sure that you are connecting with mentors, people who can help you as you chase your vision of success, making sure that you're asking them for feedback and you're implementing the feedback that they give you. Those are just a few of the things that you can do each and every day to make sure you're not wasting time, to make sure that you're always moving closer to your vision of success. That's how you do it. So I want you to think about that, Vision Chasers, and until we meet again, please keep chasing the vision. Bye.